What's up, guys? So today we're working on Project 4-banger. We're going to be doing a quick little video on how to replace your power steering pressure switch. So this one actually has fluid coming out the end of it, and we're also getting a code that the TJ is telling us that the power steering pressure switch has failed. So really easy how to take this guy off. All you're going to do is put your thumb here, push on that little clip, pull off, you're good to go. And then the tools you're going to need, you're going to need a 5/8 wrench to hold this little block here to keep these pipes from moving around, because if you try to crank on this, you're going to bend your power steering lines. So you don't want to do that. So just like that. Then we're going to take a 7/8 to get the old switch off, just a socket here. And just like that, it broke loose. Okay, we got the new one. You'll want to do it fast because you're going to get fluid leaking out of there. I'm just going to tighten it back down. Okay, and then I'm just going to plug it right back in. And we're good to go. So that's pretty much it. And you want to clean, we'll just want to clean off any power steering that got anywhere. So if you guys did lose a lot of fluid when you were switching this guy out, definitely take the cap off, start the Jeep up, and then bleed the system. So move the steering wheel back and forth a bunch of times to let any air get out of the system, and then add some power steering if you need to. Just to make sure you're good to go. That's if you lose a bunch of it. If you lose a little bit, you're probably just going to be fine and it'll naturally get out. So anyway, guys, hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, definitely give the video a thumbs up. Definitely consider subscribing. That helps me out a bunch, guys. And we'll see you guys in the next video.